Hello everyone, good morning. We are starting off the deload with some good breakfast this morning. Doing my standard, but subbing out carrots for a banana. Have an early deload workout this morning, so just want to get some carbs in. And then, today, even though it's supposed to be a deload technically, I think I'm going to make it into more of a fun workout, so adding some muscle ups. And I think I'm going to go test what my one arm pull-up max number is currently. I've been wanting to know for a while. We'll see if the body holds up and can get something in the 5 to 6 range, but I'll take you along with me and see what we can get. Now the reason we're doing an earlier deload workout today is because there is a food truck rodeo downtown, so once I get all those heavy pull-ups and one arms and muscle ups, who knows what I'm gonna do, done, we're gonna go destroy some amazing food. So can't wait to see what I end up getting, but it's gonna be a pretty big day. Just finished front lever, had about a second or two in reserve on each of the two sets, so can't really complain. You know, got the motion and over 15 seconds on both of them, can't complain. One arm pull-up time, let's warm them up and see what we can get. On both arms. I'll take that. If I would have pulled out 6, that would have been honestly pretty freaking crazy, but can't complain on that one. That might have honestly been the best left arm attempts I've ever done, so that might be a deload week, but we're still strong, baby. We're still strong. I love deloading. Feels great not doing as many reps on the pull-ups there, only doing 6 or 5 instead of
7 and 6. So saving a rep, and I'm earning that cinnamon roll, earning that ice cream, earning pizza. I don't know what I'm getting yet, but we're earning it today. We're gonna feel great afterwards. Workout done, cooling down now. The highlight of the workout was 2 people who do CrossFit talking about doing kipping muscle ups, and then this girl over here is pointing at me and saying, "They're talking about muscle ups, promote your videos." But I did not, unfortunately, so it was just good kind of eavesdropping on calisthenic-y type stuff. But honestly, they should have just watched me because I was knocking out some muscle ups before that. And honestly, they were looking pretty good. Alright, so overall I think for the chicken and pancakes, that's actually a pretty good combo. I think it was better with honey than honey mustard, or I guess it was syrup technically, maple syrup, but I think that was the better choice, but still very good. And then the deep dish pizza, hit or miss. Some bites are mostly focaccia with just cheese, but then when you got a bite with chicken and a good glob of barbecue sauce, especially like the crust too, that was a good kind of authentic Detroit style pizza, I'd say. So not a bad start, I'd say. We're gonna keep picking out for a while. But yeah, at some point we'll go back, take a little break, and then come back here for a little dinner. But we might look for a sweet treat next. So that'll be fun. Oh, it feels so good. It's so hot out here. This feels amazing right now. Picked up some cookies along the way. A little bigger than I thought they were, but they look pretty good. So we're gonna snack on those a bit and do some packing for my move out in, wow, less than a week. Yikes. Well, we put in some good work, but unfortunately there's a freaking thunderstorm coming through, so no two-part trip to the food trucks. So we're gonna go catch some food, but thank you for tagging along today. We put in some good effort both at the gym and cleaning up my apartment, and had some good food along the way. So take care, everyone. Have a good one.